warriors of Shinkoku, our long struggle against the Goma shall come to an end tonight. The powerful demigods, purge our world of the impure Goma. The life-giving mantra is one. Faithful people of Shinkoku, offer your prayers. They will become mantra to aid us in battle.
Tonight the impure have defiled and scorched our land. But it is we who shall live to see tomorrow's light. Legion of demigods, heed your priestess's words and purify our land once and for all.
Let us offer Gaia the greatest blessing in the name of Emperor Strata. May the mantra guide you to victory. Our land, divine warriors of Shinkoku.
For the cause! I will root out all evil with these great fists! Time to have some fun! First! Lucky for you, I can make that happen!
Follow me! Drive a wedge between the enemy's forces!
Even if you fall in battle,
have you forgotten that I am most concerned when the beauty of destruction is before me?
My strategies are flawless. There is no need for us to be on the front. You need but sit back and await our victory.
How you two became generals is beyond me.
Commander Davis, sending reinforcements directly to the front lines.
And such as this that temporary peace or meaningless, waste of my time.
Huh?
Prepare to fire the Brahmastra.
The Brahmastra? But Commander, it is not yet fully charged.
In its current state, it wouldn't be able to demonstrate its true capabilities.
At times, one must throw a stone to stagnant waters to save that situation. Not just for this battle, but the future of the world itself.
Brahmastra. That is an instrument of destruction I would love to hear played.
As you wish, Commander.
Hear me now. Let this blast herald the coming of a new world order. Brahmastra. But why? Why not? It shows how serious we are about winning.
Behold! It is Vlitra!